spot.
How's it going? This is Ricardo, and in this video I'll show you how to remove the power button from a Dell Inspiron 14 version M4010. If you're looking for parts for this laptop, go to our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. Slide latches over to unlock battery, then lift battery out of the laptop. Loosen screw and remove access door. Now remove bottom base screws. Turn over laptop and open it up. Then press keyboard tabs to loosen keyboard. Next, unplug keyboard cable. Now unplug palmrest cables. Then remove palmrest. Now unscrew and remove power button. Need more? Check out these other tutorials. For batteries, click here. For hard drives, click here. For wireless cards, click here. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give this video a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Check the video description below for links to written tutorials and replacement parts. Need more? Check out these other